Hello world! Respect is the foundation for trust, and those lacking respect for others are the real danger to your freedom and happiness. Without respect, there is no basis for fairness or cooperation because boundaries cannot be honored without it. The moment that someone stops respecting you as a person and their partner, they are taking control of the relationship dynamic by either giving you a set of demands that are backed by threats or bullying, or they are pushing you for not getting what they want from you. Love cannot thrive without freedom because control creates fear, and fear deprives you of the feeling of love, safety, and security. If love is not treated as sacred, then betrayal is waiting in the shadow. As the saying goes, the person who loves the least controls the relationship. Love creates safety, and the stronger the love, the greater the desire to protect and care for another. The love and care that we give is the sunshine and water that makes our relationship grow. What a blessing when we are loved for who we are and we are able to share a sacred space with someone who cares about our freedom to love and live life with peace and security. Don't expect from her what you can provide yourself. Be committed as iron in love stronger than steel. Be the muscle of devotion and the endurance of faith. Always go the distance. Never shy away. Face like you face her with open eyes and invisible gratitude. With the will of a titan but with a heart of gold. Be the one who stands the test of time, who remains and stick out of the crowd. For her and your pledge, your honorable wish to grant her a life full of happiness, never-ending sunset of beauty, and night of raging unforgettable passion, which echo in her for days and nights to come. Your altar of desire, your one and only purpose to worship your moment, your life, your never-ending love. By Joel Clemons. Nama post with a caption in it saying, "What are you choosing?" Because life doesn't decide for you, your daily choice do. Your habits, your mindset, your actions. Change what you do and your life will follow. Your heart decides who you want in your life. Your attitude decides how people treat you in life. Your behavior decides who stay in your life, and your mindset decide how you grow in your life. Time decides who you meet in life. Your discipline, how far you go in life. Your action decide how people remember you. Life doesn't give you what you want. It gives you who you are. If you want better result, you need better habits and discipline. At the end of the day, your life is shaped by the choice you make. Wow! All Anna have said are really true. Am I right with it, guys? Simona is now in Miami, Florida, known as the City of Magic. Is a vibrant coastal metropolis in South Florida, famous for its tropical climate, diverse culture, and bustling high-rise skyline. It is a major global hub for finance, commerce, and cruise tourism, ranking as the world's busiest cruise port. Miami has a strong Latin American influence with over 70% of the population identifying as Hispanic or Latino. The city is known for its Arts Deco Historic District in South Beach. It is situated between the Atlantic Ocean and the Everglades. Natural Park Miami is the only U.S. city surrounded by two national parks. Miami is famous for its beaches, offering year-round sun with popular spots in Miami Beach. The city features world-renowned nightlife in South Beach and a diverse culinary scene. Key activities include scuba diving, boating, and exploring the Bayside Marketplace. Miami has the highest concentration of international bank in the U.S. The Port of Miami and Miami International Airport are vital economic drivers. Oh, gotcha, Simone. Always looking good. Let's all watch this and enjoy the majestic picturesque view of Miami, Florida. Michele and Ama still have their special spot on their hearts as they don't forget each other. Let's all read on how Michele and Ama exchanged their messages comments. On a post of Michele with a caption of 365 cigarettes, is he talking about the brand literally 365 cigarettes? Refers specific cigarette brand produced in Mozambique and Portugal, typically available in king size soft pack. In a broader context, 365 is often calculate a full year of daily smoking, one pack here, highlighting significant health risk. Warning, as we all know, cigarette smoking is dangerous to our health. But he also emphasized that he misses those days as he posts photos of Thomas, his director, at 365 Days movie, and a throwback of his child photo and his loving mama and papa. Michele also posts a caption of, "You are cutie when you keep on lie." As to what I know, he referred to someone is cute or adorable when they are lying down, particularly in a relaxed, vulnerable, or sleepy state, is generally a positive compliment, expressing affection and tender feelings, often emphasizes a warmer, more wholesome feelings compared to simple calling someone hot. On working time of Michele, music is his passion time at home. Let's all hear this. Who said that Brando can't make it? Watch here to know how he beat the rhythm of the instrument.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, God. Yeah. My man. You're my man.
To all the mama, mommy, mother, mamita, aunties, titas, to all of us who know the responsibility of being a mother. I know and I do believe being a mother is not just that we give birth to a child, but we can also be a mother to anyone with the love and care of a responsibility of a mother. Happy Mother's Day to all! Oh, so lovely and sweet on how Michele cherishes and honor Ruba on this special day. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 130 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. That's the way it's going to be tough. There are those who will possess you in the moment, and then there are those who will own space within your soul for all the rest of your days. Fall in love with your best friend, with the person who makes you laugh the most, with the person who makes you smile, even when you don't want to, with the person who makes ordinary days feel extraordinary. Fall in love with the person who is seeing you at your worst, with the person you are okay to not be okay around, with the person who understands your hurts and wants to heal it, with the person who has stood by your side through hell and back. Fall in love with the person who inspires you to be your best, who encourages you to chase your dreams, who believes wholeheartedly that you can do anything you set your mind to, who roots you even when everybody else abandons you. Fall in love with someone who gets you, who can read your expression as if you are an open book, who knows your hopes, your fears, your dreams, and never judges you for them, who understands you better than you understand yourself and love you all the same. People tell you not to fall in love for someone close to you, that it's messy and risky and heartbreaking. But the truth is they are the one who will love you the deepest because they are already proved that they care, that they will be there for you, even without the string attached, that they would never hurt you, and that's something you deserve. Fall in love with your best friend because no one will love you like someone who already knows how to. By Joel Clemons.